Kia ora, good morning. Happy Friday. It's the last day for a long weekend if you happen to be in Wellington, but it's a Friday like any other for most, I guess, including the market. Like any other day of late, we saw new record highs for US equity markets overnight. We saw a New Zealand dollar that had plenty of overnight volatility, but returned to the levels of the previous afternoon by morning at 66.3 for the record. Just another day. Yeah, and like just another day, I'm Micro Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute, longer than a minute. Yeah. Okay, so adding a little more kick to most equity markets overnight and certainly helping elevate the Kiwi to a session high of 66.65 US cents. That was word yesterday afternoon that the US and China, having only just signed that phase one deal, have already done some hard yards, allegedly, on phase two. Yeah, so that word, or words, probably more than one, they were expressed around lunchtime, but once the Northern Hemisphere woke up, they really ran with it. Until in the case of the Kiwi, they decided to stop running, I guess, and go back a bit. But to be fair, equities, they had additional support from earnings season. So far, it looks like corporate America had a pretty decent December quarter. Yeah, good for them. Getting back to the currency reaction, the Kiwi and the Aussie, they both benefited from that phase two story. Risk-on story. Even if it was unwound later, the Kiwi still benefited a little more, so that pushed the Kiwi-Aussie back above the 96-cent mark. The other notable Kiwi cross action overnight, that was against the Japanese yen. Kiwi going higher, yen going lower, Kiwi yen higher. Yeah, the usual risk-on trade. So that scratched above 73 yen, a new highest level for 2020. We're not even a month in, so that doesn't really matter, but big but, pretty close to the December high and not far off achieving a new highest level since May 2019. Kiwi yen, good times. Matt? Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Wellington anniversary on Monday, we covered that. Yeah, so no first hand, but the Kiwibank Auckland team will be at the desk for all your market-related needs on Monday, and maybe some non-market-related needs too. I don't know. Have a happy weekend, long or otherwise. Ka kite.